Hi there, it's Amanda with OBTI, and I'm going to show you a beautiful lipstick that I carry on with me every single day in my makeup bag. So this one is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade Enjoy the View. It has a very nice color, like a mix of red and pink, and good pigmentation. Since it's shaped like a crayon, it's very easy to use. It also has a built-in sharpener in case I want more product. I just twist and go. It has matte finish, so it has no shine. I can last for many hours without reapplying it, and in case I want to apply it again, it's easy as it has a good size and I can easily carry it. So if you want a beautiful color in your lips and you want a beautiful lipstick in a beautiful package, really easy to use, really easy to carry on with you, I really recommend the Super Stay Ink Crayon of Maybelline New York in the shade Enjoy the View, because I really love it and that's my point of view.